Welcome. In this video, we will dive into SQL transactions, specifically focusing on how to use commit and rollback to manage your data changes effectively. A transaction is a sequence of one or more SQL operations that are executed as a single unit. Transactions are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your database through asset properties. Let us break down the asset properties. Atomicity ensures that all operations in a transaction are completed successfully or none at all. Consistency guarantees that the database transitions from one valid state to another. Isolation prevents transactions from affecting each other, while durability ensures that once a transaction is committed, it remains permanent. The commit statement is used to save all changes made during the current transaction. Here is a simple example demonstrating how to use commit in SQL. On the other hand, rollback statement is used to undo changes made during the transaction if something goes wrong. Here is how rollback works in a SQL context. In addition to commit and rollback, SQL provides other transaction control commands such as begin transaction, which marks the start of a transaction. Let us see how this fits into the overall transaction processes. It is also important to understand nested transactions where a transaction can start another transaction. However, only the outermost transaction can be committed or rolled back. Best practices include keeping transactions short to avoid locking issues, ensuring you handle errors gracefully, and using appropriate isolation levels. To wrap up, understanding how to use commit and rollback is essential for effective transaction management in SQL. I encourage you to practice these concepts to enhance your database skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.